I know that going to court is so stressful. Let's talk about preparing for court. I'm going to prepare you for your court appearance, in part, and the rest of it is going to have to be done by your actual attorney. But here's some things that everybody needs to know who is going to court. First of all, let's start with the basics, okay? We must impress the judge. First impressions are key. I don't care what anybody says. Oh, this doesn't matter. No, first impressions do matter. You need to dress up. Guys, if you got a suit, I want you to wear it. I want you to wear nice pants. I want you to button down shirt. I want you to wear a tie, things of that sort. Ladies, pantsuit, skirt, nice dress, no club wear. I know some of you, all you got is the stuff you go to the clubs and you look good in the clubs. This is not a club. This is like you're going to church, okay? So we need to dress in an appropriate way. I can tell you many judges really above and beyond appreciate how you dress. If you're in Seminole County, you're going in front of Judge Rexedler, I guarantee you if you show up in a tie, she will actually say, mark my words, hey, thank you for dressing up today. You look nice or whatever. Usually you can't tell the judge back, you look nice. You know, sometimes I can say that because I mean it, but you probably should avoid that sort of thing. But I'm telling you, Judge Rexedler will tell you that she appreciates you dressing up. In Orange County, Judge Barbara Leash, she'll tell you the same thing. Hey, I really appreciate you looking good for court today. You'd be surprised how much borderline disrespect these judges get. In circuit court and county court, people just aren't dressing up and it's a problem. Don't be that person. I'm trying to prepare you for a good court experience. Let's start there. Second, let's talk about what you're going to say. First of all, your attorney is going to brief you on everything that you're going to say or be questioned about. But I'm talking about very basic things, because when you're hanging out with your friends, you're going to talk different. All right. So when the judge says, is this your signature on the bottom of this plea form? Yeah. No, I don't want to hear a yeah. Yes, Your Honor. No, Your Honor. I appreciate you, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor. No, thank you, Your Honor. Let's keep it formal. All right. I was just in Key West the other day. I understand that maybe the Conch Republic has some more slack rules on their formalities. But the rest of Florida, you gotta keep it a little more formal than you're used to doing. Even you've probably done multi-million-dollar business deals not dressed and not as formal as you're going to be doing in court. So just keep that in mind. Another important thing, some of you wear everything on your face. You're rolling your eyes. You're not saying anything, but you're reacting in such a way that you are saying something. Those sort of reactions have no place in a courtroom. And you will get scolded. And even if you don't get scolded, it's gonna make you look bad. I do not want you putting all your emotions on your face on display. A wonderful attorney here in Orlando, Trish Cashman, she actually has motions that she files, because some of the prosecutors are notorious. You'll be doing your opening or closing statement and they're not saying anything that's on the record, but they're going, you know, they're rolling their eyes, they're looking up at the sky, they're flipping their hands up, and the jury sees that. And so Trish Cashman, she files motions having the judge instruct the prosecutor, stop that before you even start it. I want you to stop that before you even start it as well. Another thing I want to prepare you for court for as well is, many of us have been to the airport, those not afraid to fly. Some of you don't like flying, and I respect that. However, a lot of these courthouses, they are like airports, man. They've got the metal detectors. They're gonna wand you. They have prohibited items. If you're meeting me in court in Orange County, in Seminole, in Osceola, in Lake County, in Brevard, I want you there 30 minutes early. On Monday, I might say 40 minutes. This is because security, the lines are out the door. They're literally out the door. And if a few people call in sick, you're gonna be late, and we don't want a warrant. I don't think you're gonna get a warrant for being actually on premises, but waiting for security. I'm just saying, folks, at least a half an hour early. Talk to your attorney. We have 67 counties in the state of Florida. I don't know what the time frames are on all of them. I practice in 5. I just told you what those 5 are. If you're going to a hearing with me, if your attorney gives you a different number, go with your attorney, because sometimes Monday morning, that's probably your longest wait in Orange County. If you and I have a hearing on Thursday afternoon, It might be a different wait time, but you need to be early. No matter what, you gotta be early. And finally, I don't need like a crazy disheveled professor stack of paperwork that you bring with you to court where you can't find anything. If your paperwork is going to be important in court, then organize it, folks. Get it ready, organize it, have that little meeting with your attorney. What do you want from me tomorrow? I'll have it ready. That is how you prepare for court. Preparation is key. If you want good things to happen, you gotta prepare. And I'm telling you, especially on the dress code stuff, I just have to say, I know this is Florida. I know we're a little casual, but somehow, I don't know if y'all think it's funny. It is kind of funny. But like, you're there on a solicitation charge where you're trying to hire a prostitute and you got that Key West shirt that says, I'm not gay, but $20 is $20. That's a funny shirt, but that's not appropriate for your charge or any charge. You folks that get DUIs, right? All of a sudden, you gotta wear a Heineken shirt to court? No, you don't. I think you're wearing these shirts so much you don't even realize that they might be related to your case. We can't have that. You know we can't have that. So listen to everything I said. And then on top of that, most importantly, listen to your attorney, and then you will be prepared. Preparation is key. I hope you get something out of this video, and you could help us out too just by pressing some buttons on the screen. This screen has buttons that can help us. These big companies, they change the buttons all the time. Right now, I think it's a like. It might be a subscribe. Tomorrow it could be something else. I appreciate your help, and thank you for watching.